Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Looms and Electronics. Now, here I have something that does not look anything like it. It's a vacuum. I'll explain how it works and what some of the insides look like, and I'll film one from this view, one from inside where it's being sucked, and one of how much power it takes. So, let's get started. Okay, so here we are with the system. So here's how it works. So this, as you can see, has two PC fans in here. You can't see inside of it, but then up here, there's this tube. So this is where your garbage goes in. What is that? Such as this hunk of cardboard. I stick that in there. Well, it might help if I could ever get it in there. From the vacuum, then this blows it to like maybe about here. I'm not sure. I didn't do the math or did any wind calculations, but too complex. Then the rest of it is gonna get sucked in by these three big fans up here, this fan, and then into this box. So now I'm going to show you the power aspect. Now, again, please excuse how bad the 7-segment displays are on here, but I have this on minimum and we can see it's not pulling any current, so let's crank up voltage. Get it on. Oh, there we go, we got power. Now, the big fans haven't started yet. Okay, the big fans are, one started. All running at 10 volts. Now all these fans are rated for 24 volts, so gonna give them 15. I have a good volt difference. There we go, that's 15 and we can see it's going 28. There you go, that's my power supply is maxed out right there. This is pulling 30 milliamps, so now let's get a few shots of when I'm inserting garbage in there. Sorry, my screwdriver. Hello, and now I'm going to show you what the insides look like. Now, trust me, this does look kind of weird, but and plus, you won't even see this when I drop it in. It's going this fast. By the way, there's a little bunch of little black hole on your left, so that's where you might see something come out. Yep, that little line was it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.